Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the As I Am products for and how it compares, and kind of it's like a first impression slash a review, final review, because yeah, they're all getting returned basically. So let's just jump right in. I tried the coconut co-wash, the leave-in conditioner, the double buttercream, and the curling jelly. So starting with the coconut co-wash, I really loved how this felt in my hair, and honestly detangling with this was so easy. Like, I don't like detangling in the shower with conditioner, just because I feel like, one, I'm gonna have to detangle when I get out again anyway, and usually it's not that easy. But this detangling with this isn't easy. You guys are gonna see in the clip, like, I was not fighting with my hair at all. It was just going through so good, and my hair felt moisturized and clean. So that was, I really liked this product specifically, like how it made my hair feel. And then for the leave-in conditioner, this is the nice balance between like thick, like a super thick leave-in conditioner, and like the thin kind of ones. This is like right in between, and I felt like this really just went into the hair basically. I'm so bad at describing hair products, but I feel like it did a good job of moisturizing my hair, you guys. And then the double buttercream, super thick. It's almost comparable. It's pretty comparable to my up butter, and y'all saw in the last review I love the Seal It Up butter. So I don't know which one of these three products that I mentioned did what exactly, but I can tell you guys that my hair has literally never felt so soft and so moisturized. Like, if there's anything that can be taken from this line, is that my hair felt incredibly soft and moisturized, like so soft. So I'm pretty happy about, like, ridiculously soft. And I wore my hair in a puff for the last 2 days, and usually when I wear my hair in a puff, the ends get really brittle and dry and you can just feel it, but my ends still felt moisturized. And the second day, like, that's the second day I wear the puff is the day that my hair, like, I'm like, okay, gotta wash my hair. My ends do not like being out, but my hair still felt pretty moisturized, still a little bit of dry, because again, the ends of my hair do not like being out. But oh my god, softest hair ever. Now here we come to the part that I didn't like, the curling jelly. I'm not gonna blame everything on the curling jelly itself, but this wasn't it. This gave me so much trouble, guys, because I've technically already filmed this video, but I had to refilm it because I was so disappointed, and I was convinced that I had to be doing something wrong for this product to fail so miserably on my hair. Like, so miserably. So I'm gonna insert clips from when I first did this. I did like big twists. I had like probably like 10 twists on my head. And in the front, it provides some definition, but it's definitely not as good as in the back. Like, this is it. These are the pieces in the back. You can see, and then here's the front. So like, there's definition in there, but not as much. So as you guys can see, as I was saying, no definition. Like, the kitchen, in my kitchen, beautiful definition, but my hair type was looser back there, and I don't really care about how products feel in there. I wanted to work on the majority of my head, and just the definition, y'all, was lacking so much. I don't know what happened, but the definition was not there at all, okay? And I was so disappointed, and I said in that, I was like, I'm gonna try it again, and I'll let you guys know in a month or so my final review. There is no final review coming in a month or so, because I'm done. So I tried it again. I retwisted my hair. I used even more curling jelly. I said, maybe it's something you really gotta lather up, okay, honey? You really gotta put that product on there. Side note, I've used this 3 times, and this was the most expensive product that I bought in the line. It was like $16. I've used this 3 times. I want you guys to notice how empty it is, basically. This is a small jar. It says 8 ounces, but it wasn't even filled to the top. For example, the double buttercream was 8 ounces. Let's see. The double buttercream was 8 ounces, and it's pretty close to the top. This did not come filled to the top despite being 8 ounces, and it was the most expensive one, and I've used it 3 times and it's nearly finished. But anyway, what was I saying? So tried it again, put even more product on there, say maybe this is something I have to lather up in. And at that point, once I said maybe this is something that I have to like lather up in, I was like, I don't even want this product. I don't want a product that's so expensive and I have to drench my hair in it to get results, you know? I don't want to constantly be repurchasing it. That's not my thing. So tried it again. Let's look at that clip. It's better than last time, but yeah, I don't know. My hair is so finicky. And again, ooh, again in the back. You got some springies, but in the front, not so much. So, terrible definition. Again, where is she? Don't know her, never seen her. She's gone. There was no definition. None. None. So then I talked to myself and I'm like, okay, the hair is really feeling limp. It's really feeling limp. Let me start over. Let me wash my hair. Maybe I have product buildup because I didn't shampoo my hair before switching to a new product. Maybe that's what it is, you know? So I shampooed my hair, started all over again, did the twist again. And I woke up and I noticed that the twist in my hair, like some of the twists, the ones closer to the back where my looser hair type is, looked dry. You know the way your twists look when they're dry, you pull them, they're very like, elastic, you pull them, they snap right back. They look very tight, very coiled. The ones in the front still look like they were wet. And that's when I was like, this is the problem. This product is just sitting on top of my hair. Like my hair does not like this. Like it's just sitting there. So I retwisted them while they were dry and then took them out again 2 hours. And that's when I finally managed to get just a little bit of definition in it. But I think that I've learned that this is not the line for me. I said I wanted to return them, but I don't know if I want to return everything or if I literally just want to get rid of this curling jelly, because I feel like I like everything else, but this didn't do anything for me. And even like the curls that were more defined, like I said, in the back, didn't last. It had like no hold at all. It was pretty bad. By the end of the day, it was just all one big puff like of hair. So those are my thoughts, my final review on the As I Am line. I'm probably gonna return all of this and try something else. I don't know what was going on in this line, and I really just want to return them. I don't want to take the time to test, to individually test each product and see what it is, because it's really expensive for something that doesn't seem like it's gonna work on my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.